We are here at Ask the Expert with Miss Kathrin.
Hi, it's a pleasure to be back.
So for this season, we want to tackle the massive topic of how to improve on platinum castings. So in our previous videos, we've talked about how because of platinum's unique properties, it's got a higher working temperature, it's got high ductility and high malleability. Some producers do find it to be challenging or demanding to work with platinum. But we also said platinum is not difficult, it's just different.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Some people find platinum more demanding, but because of platinum's unique attributes and properties, the little bit of extra effort that you put in there produces such a distinctly higher product quality that it's really worth your time.
And because platinum casting is such a huge topic, maybe we can start with something that's a little bit more basic. That makes a big difference. So maybe we can start with sprue designs for platinum casting?
Okay, ask away.
So I've had numerous and various different debates with factories because I've seen them use what I think it's a gold sprue when they do platinum castings. So the question is, should we be using a different design of sprues when it comes to platinum? And if so, how should they differ?
Gold feeders are much thinner. This one here is like 4 millimeters. So for platinum, we definitely need thicker ones.
Something like this.
Yeah, that is just perfect. So 6-8 millimeters or thicker would be just great for a platinum casting. You really want to make your sprue as thick as the designer. Consider oval cross sections and tapered ends to get the extra oomph for the molten metal to enter the casting, and shorten the length of the sprue so that the design sits as close to the stem as possible. The main reason that platinum is like difficult to cast is that it's a low flow material. An analogy would be maybe like you're looking at the high flow of milk versus the thick flow of oatmeal. So because platinum is moving very slowly in the casting, it takes more effort to fill the voids of the casting.
Okay, I like that analogy with where you're saying gold flows. It's runny, so it flows like milk, and then platinum is like oatmeal. So to put that point to the test, to demonstrate that, I'm going to take
the feeder challenge.
So here we have a glass of milk with a thin straw. And sure enough, it's easy to drink. But to use this thin straw for the oatmeal, that's not happening. But what if we use a thick straw? Let's give that a try. Okay. So that works much better.
A few moments later.
So I'm 100% convinced, having done this, that I need a thicker straw to drink oatmeal. And is this the same reason why we need a thicker feeder to cast platinum?
Absolutely, that demonstrates the points. We definitely need thicker feeders for our platinum too. It crawls as oatmeal does in the straw, so we need a thicker straw, so to speak, a thicker feeder to feed our platinum castings as well, yes. Use the thickest feeder that fits the profile of the ring and attach it to the heaviest part of the ring. Ideally, use also an oval cross-section with a tapered end that gives you a little bit extra speed momentum when the metal enters the casting. And, using such a thick sprue will ensure that the casting void is fully filled and that you don't have the dreaded shrinkage porosity there.
You've asked the expert about sprue designs, and our expert actually has a lot to say about the matter. So we're definitely going to come back and continue this whole series around how to improve your platinum castings. So follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn, and stay tuned for Ask the Expert.